No, I thought you said there was good news.
Well, the good news is we can do it for you. What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Today's Monday, November 27th, 2023. And heading to a new customer, new client in the Gibson area of Valley Stream. Apparently they have a gas furnace that's not producing any heat. What do you want to bet their definition of a gas furnace is a steam boiler that heats your home? I got my money on a steam boiler. Well, let's go see. All right. Side yard. Is that a Chevy Caprice? Celebrity. I think that's a Chevy Celebrity. Wow.
I'm sorry, I'm in a...
Is that a Chevy Celebrity, by the way?
Yes, it is.
I knew it. I knew it. It's awesome.
Yeah, well, it's being a mess down here.
It's all good.
I'll give you the whole thing in a nutshell.
Okay. Now tell me, you have a furnace?
Furnace. It's a.
You sure you don't got a gas steam boiler?
That's what it is.
Steam boiler.
I call it furnace. Like I said to the poor lady who had to deal with me on the phone. Oh, by the way, my daughter accidentally locked this, so I had to pop the hinges off to open it.
Oh.
And I can move that. That's what happened. Was there was a leak in the toilet, which sits right above it.
Okay.
That was fixed. Dehumidify.
Is there any light in here?
And one of the light thing is, wait a minute, I can actually hold it open. The
light's broken?
Yeah, I just have to tack it up like this. Now, dried up everything, cleaned up everything as best I could.
What happened? Tell me about why everything's so rusty.
Because that's where the water, we came home from Florida and found it.
Ah.
So, I went and I threw the switch.
Okay. What happens?
This is what happens. That buzzing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question. You have hot water right now?
Yes.
Okay.
I shut it off.
Okay.
I just started tracing wires back with my hands.
Okay.
And
what did you do?
I don't know what I did, but I flipped it back on, fired right up.
Okay.
It fired right up.
And then?
It ran for about 5-6 minutes. Absolutely no problem.
Okay.
I can feel it starting to get warm. Then it shut off. Now, I know it's got a cycle.
Yep.
And I'm used to that, but it didn't turn on. It turned on once again, but then it shut off fairly quickly.
Okay.
And went back to...
So let's switch places.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're gonna tack the string up. I know, I get it. All right, for right now, I got the flashlight on, so it's okay. Well, it's all right. It's fine. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. I'll let you. We'll switch spots.
You know,
is the thermostat on or off right now?
It is on.
Okay, and it's reading like a high temperature. It should be.
Well, it's got two different temperatures. It's like 52 degrees in the house, but the temperature for the thermostat, the automatic setting is 70.
Okay.
So it should.
All right. So your power switch.
Right.
Let's see. Damper's open. Gas valve is opening.
Yeah. Imagine having a vacation in Disney World.
Yeah.
Disney World, but
it's rusted on.
Yeah. Being stuck in the room part of it. And I tested positive for COVID.
Oh man.
And then laid up, I don't know how long with that. Come home to find this.
Well, would you like the good news or the bad news?
Huh?
Would you like the good news or the bad news? The bad news is that realistically, you need to replace your water heater in your boiler.
And the boiler?
Well, that's the water heater.
Right.
This is the boiler.
Right.
The fact that I can't get the cover off because it's rusted shut
Right.
shows the extent of the, I guess, water damage to the equipment.
Yeah.
It is to your best interest to replace this.
2 years old.
It's not. I know time flies, but it's longer than 2 years old.
No, it was 2 years old. I'm telling you, it was 2 years old.
Okay. I will. I like to wager sometimes, but I don't want to take your money. Because if I find the serial number, I can tell you how old it is. So there's a serial number. And we can look that up. But I can tell you she's more than 2 years old. Well, even the pressure troll. You have too much damage to the components here. And realistically, if I were to even attempt to repair, it would be unprofessional and just morally not unethical. Because you have so much damage on this.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, you have so much damage. Forget about like the zone for heating for the basement that you have here.
They disconnected.
Yeah.
No, I thought you said there was good news.
Well, the good news is we could do it for you. But like literally, it's everything is rusted. Everything is wet. Everything. Literally, you'd be throwing money into an endless pit because it's just everything is damaged. The gas valve, it looks like it's been submerged. The combustion chamber and the front of that, the burners are all wet. There's water inside them.
Right.
The bottom of the combustion chamber is shot. Looking inside of it, it's just everything was wet. Everything. And I'm looking at the controls here. Like here's your transformer. Right. Behind that is your low water cutoff, your pressure troll, it's just everything. It realistically looks like it was at the bottom of the Atlantic and then it was brought back up again.
Beautiful. But what are we talking about? When, what, and cost, and all that sort of stuff? Give me the water heater. Technically, should be replaced too. So, but anyway, did you have the website or something?
Yeah, it'll be on the receipt that I send you.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so I didn't ask him that, but you know, he's dealing with what he saw here, and that's basically replacing everything that they put in. Everything, bringing it back up to code, and putting in a new water heater, which was going anyway. But well, because I'm a retired cop and all that, everything together. Yes, 18.5.
All right. Spent a good half hour outside in the gentleman's driveway talking about what needs to be done. There's no other option here other than complete replacement of both the boiler and the water heater. I'm sure that there are some guys right now sitting in their parents' basement wearing Spider-Man underoos saying, Mikey Pipes, you can put in a new gas valve and just change the burner tube and you'll be good to go. And yeah, $1.250 later, it'll be okay. Like, yeah, that makes the difference between the professional and the hacks. I'm just beyond words, you know. You guys, I don't know. I handled the homeowner, though, however, with dignity and respect. Fortunately, the odor in the basement wasn't horrific. There was an odor down there. It was more like mold and mildew growing. It was like that. Fortunately, there's no asbestos nearby, which require an abatement of that before we proceed with the work because it is an OSHA requirement. right? If there's asbestos within 10 feet of an appliance that we're working on, it needs to be abated before repair or replacement shall commence. I know people will criticize me for that as well. Like, Mikey Pipes is soaking with water. Sorry, I am a licensed professional, and I worked very hard to build a company with a great name, and I am not going to mess it up. What's up? Are you cold? You're cold? I got Mikey Pipes, I'm cold. I don't know. I really don't know. You can't judge a book by its cover either. We'll see. Game options, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. I didn't expect to run into this, but as soon as I saw that Chevy Celebrity, I knew I was going to feed you guys some info. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.